Good morning, team. Today I'm going to share with you a tip that will raise your level of professionalism as a realtor. This is a very important tip that I learned along the way, and it makes the world of difference in your success and your expertise in your real estate business. The first thing as course of business that I do every morning is to open up the MLS and see what new listings have come on the market. Every day, we need to be aware of what new listings have come on the market. And that's whether you have a client or that you're looking for or not. It is our job as a professional to be aware of what's coming on. And that's the first benefit to doing that. It's just growing our market knowledge, our confidence, and being the expert in our field. The second benefit of doing such is it gives us a reason to call. We are always looking for a reason to call. We talked about how often we should follow up with our buyer potentials and our seller potentials. Well, this exercise gives us a reason to touch them. With buyers, active buyers, it's an easy call if there's something that comes on the market that is similar to what they're looking for, that's within the parameters. Sometimes we give them the call when there's something that's a little outside of the parameters, but we thought it seemed interesting and we'd call them anyway. For our potential sellers, anytime something comes on the market in their neighborhood, I would definitely make a call. Anytime something comes on similar in style or price point, I would give them a call and say, hey, did you see this? Now, if we don't have any potential buyers or sellers, or in addition to our potential buyers and sellers, the other people that you can call based on this are just those in your database. If you see a house comes on the market for a friend of yours or a past client that's in their neighborhood across the street or around the corner, it's a great reason to give them a call. That's a, hey, did you see call? Hey, did you see that the house up the street is on the market? And they'll usually have all the information about it. But what that does is it gives you a reason to call, but it's also highlighting your expertise. It's letting your people know that you're doing real estate, that you're familiar with their neighborhood, that when they are ready, or if they know somebody that's ready in their area to sell, they're going to give you a call because they know that you're studying and watching it. I hope this helps you a bunch, helps you make your calls, helps you grow your expertise, and I'll talk to you guys again soon.